3, 2, 1. We're here. All the evidence of the water being splashed. Okay, guys, let me show you all of the evidence of the water that was the splash. Water.